Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new video. The platform that we'll be talking about, or the project that we'll be talking about in this video, is called Top Credit Exchange. Now, we have seen exchanges before. There's a lot of renowned and popular exchanges that we have. So the question arises, why is there a need for a second or a different exchange? Now, over the time, exchanges are evolving. In a sense that they're evolving is they're becoming like a super exchange. They're becoming a super exchange. A super exchange is basically kind of like, I would say, an idea that is built from the super app idea. That you don't need a lot of different apps or a lot of different services. You just need one app for all of the services that you need for all of your daily use. So in exchanges, we have a lot of different, the spot trading, the perpetual trading, derivatives. There's like a lot of stuff in it. Then there's different exchanges that offer stocks, cryptos, fiat. So in most of these cases, we have to move around on different exchanges, which is, of course, it's not really convenient. It'll be really amazing if you can get all these things together in one exchange. And that is what, this project, this platform, this exchange is here to offer. We're going to get a lot of different stuff offered to us in one single exchange, which will be by far, I would say more services offered than any of the other exchanges that we have seen before. So we're going to talk about all these features that are offered in this. We're going to talk details on the exchange itself, who is behind this, what their emphasis is, what their idea is, what their narrative is, where they're heading, and so forth. So for all that, make sure that you keep on watching till the end. As always, anything that I'm going to say is not going to be an investment or financial advice. So always do your own investigation research. And with this out of the way, let's get right into it. So let's talk about what Top Credit Exchange has to offer. As I said, it is a really good exchange. It's actually a cutting edge platform that offers comprehensive asset management. So it offers users a diverse portfolio of financial products that enables them to easily navigate the world of digital currencies. We have contracts, derivatives, traditional stock trading. That's something that is not offered in other crypto exchanges. And all of this, within a single platform, in which investors can seamlessly manage their assets regardless of their preferences or risk profiles. The platform has an intuitive interface and it has user-friendly features, which makes it accessible for both beginners and also professional and experienced traders, which is again not something offered in other exchanges, which almost, as I always say, they look like a cockpit of a plane crammed with all these buttons that you don't know what they do. So that's of course not beginner friendly, but in this one, it's actually pretty beginner friendly. And if we talk about the privacy and the security, which is a main concern of a lot of people, one of the standout features of Top Credit Exchange is its commitment to privacy and security. It has a robust risk control system that adheres to the strict anti-money laundering regulations. It integrates innovative AI technology, which basically ensures superior privacy protection for its users. We have multi-address services for asset deposits and withdrawals, and they guarantee that the transactions cannot be traced or correlated, which safeguard our information and also our assets. Now, in terms of regulatory compliance and investor protection, which is something complicated, but for a lot of investors, this is a main concern. This exchange, it is basically compliant and it has secure asset management in it. It is holding US and Canadian MSB financial licenses, as well as 1, 4, and 9 in Hong Kong. It provides solid protection for the investors' funds. And these licenses, they serve as a testament of the Top Credit Exchange commitment to upholding regulatory standards and maintaining the trust of its users, which is really important. Additionally, the platform also plans to publicly disclose the Merkle tree formula for exchange margin, which will be further promoting transparency and accountability, which again is hardly seen in other exchanges. This was something that was not offered in the FTX, and eventually we saw what happened to it. If it was being transparent, people wouldn't have lost their money through it. Now, It offers a range of exciting features, as I said before, which enhance the trading experience for the users. It includes spot trading of digital currencies. We have super leverage trading for those that seek higher returns. We have contract trading for derivative enthusiasts. We have high yield financial products to diversify investment portfolios, and moreover, the platform goes beyond digital assets and allow users to conveniently engage in US stocks and also Hong Kong stock trading. This makes it more unique than all the other aspects that we've discussed before. That's something not offered in other exchanges. So this is basically a comprehensive product portfolio that is catered to investors' varying needs, which enable them to allocate their investments flexibly and align with their risk preferences. Now, if you talk about the global expansion and the focus on the user experience of this platform, it was established in June 2020. So it has been almost 3 successful years, more than 3 successful years. And it has garnered over 1.2 million users around the world, by offering their secure and stable asset management services. The team comprised of professionals with extensive experience in the traditional finance industry, and which ensures the core demands of the users are met. They have a focus on user privacy and a dedication to provide an exceptional trading experience that is not just catered to the professional traders, but also for the newcomers, the beginners. They have earned their reputation as a secure, convenient, transparent, and efficient asset management tool. Now, if you take a look at the last 24 hours trading volume, it is over $80 million. We have 400 plus trading pairs, and the user's country distribution is over 200 plus. That makes it international. So these are the hot currencies that we have. I'm going to give you guys, I'll show you guys the exchange itself. Now, these are the currencies, the hot currency list that we have. Of course, Bitcoin, Ethereum, these are going to be on the top. So you can see the live prices. You get the option to trade, which is going to take us to the exchange itself, which is where we're heading. Moreover, we have it shows us how you can create a personal cryptocurrency portfolio. Some other features that you can use. It says game. They also have brand new gameplay for just fair and open. That's pretty interesting. This you can also earn stable income, flexible terms, stable income, no risk. So there's like plenty of options, plenty of different services that you can use to earn, and stock. So we already have talked about the US stock and also the Hong Kong stocks that you can use. You don't need to open an account for it. You can basically open positions immediately, just like you do with the cryptocurrencies. Now we have other information about the exchange on the stuff that it offers. So it is available on the Android and also on the Apple App Store, which is pretty interesting. So you don't just need to use it on the desktop, you can use it on your mobile version as well. You can view real-time quotations of prices at any time. You can easily buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, OKB, and other digital assets. You can get an early warning of the price changes that you care about. That's, I think, is pretty unique. You can view Bitcoin spot futures and option prices. You can compare cryptocurrency prices across different exchanges to choose which one is offering the best prices. So this is how it basically looks like. Pretty easy. On the left side, we have the trading pairs. In the middle, we have the chart. We can use different signals to predict, in a sense, to make our prediction for the next, future price movement. As I said before, we have the option for spot trading and the perpetual trading, and in perpetual trading we also have the option for leverage trading that we can use. We have all the tools like limit order, stop loss, and so forth to minimize risk. Right now on the right hand side it shows us the prices and so forth, and when we open up our positions, this is where it's going to show us. So in the trade, we have the spot trading, we have the C2C, stock, exchange, strategy trading. In the derivatives, we have USDT M, coin M, margin for foreign exchange, traditional futures, stock index. In the earn, we already have kind of like learned before. We have the option for, it says one-stop investment service. Then we have DeFi. Then we have the lending and borrowing option that you can use. We also have the option for copy trading. That's pretty interesting. So basically, if you're like, there's a professional trader that you want to copy, that's something that you can use. Then we have analog desk, game, chat room, so forth. So we have a lot of different features that are offered in this. Most of them are something that are offered by other exchanges, but it offers us more than what is already being offered. So I think that makes it really wonderful. This whole exchange is pretty wonderful. So yeah, if there's anything that you found in this that you are interested in, that you want to use it for, go ahead. I'll give you guys links that'll be in the description. So make sure that you check those from there. And yeah, this is all of you guys in this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one shortly. So stay tuned.